What did you do to my room?
We did more than just
Oh
cleaned
my
it. We did it.
Goodness. Where's my room?
This is your new room.
Where's my room? It's like completely Harry Potter. Oh my goodness. You got my music.
You've got Minnie.
Oh, Minnie.
Not my idea.
Oh my goodness, my closet is...
Clean?
Oh. You can say that again. Oh my goodness. Wow, I have a lot of books.
What do you think of it?
It's good.
Pull out the trunk.
What, this?
Mm-hmm.
They're on wheels.
Mama.